If you ever had Kullad wali chai, what do you do with the Kullad or clay pot after you're done? So I had this idea of not throwing away the Kullad. Instead, let's make a DIY project out of it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you all how to make beautiful little decorative clay pots from the waste Kullad. After cleaning my clay pot, I'm looking for any rough edges on the surface so that I can sandpaper it and smoothen it out for the painting. After the clay pot surface is smooth enough, I'm going to paint it, and I'm using acrylic colors for this. Today's clay pot painting is inspired by flowers, and this is a step-by-step tutorial, so sit back, relax and enjoy the video. that's it. Our beautiful decorative clay pots are ready. I hope you like this video, and if yes, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel @Nickdots and hit that bell icon for future videos. Thank you. Bye.